Hi, it's time to relax and do some Qigong. Qigong can be so relaxing before you go to bed. Take a moment to connect to your heart and your lower dantian, which is 3 finger widths below your belly button. Your intuition with the hand below, the hand up high is on the heart. And breathe, noticing how the heart and lower dantian expand with each inhalation. Meeting yourself lovingly here, heart centered over lower dantian. Slowly remove the hands. Curl up the hands and open one by one with the fingers, but don't open all the way. Just a little bit. See if you can do half. Just a very delicate opening of the fingers. And then we're just going to brush down one arm slow as you lay. Come back up, slow. Feel into the contact, both hands on the heart, other arm, slow. And back up very slowly, hands to the heart. Let's take our hands over our head, around our ears, and just wash them out a little bit. Let's do that again. Head. See if you can come down your head, down your neck, and around your shoulders and start to pull down a little bit. Same with the ears. Can you come down the back a little bit? And then go ahead and start to see if you can reach any part of your back just to kind of rub a little bit around your spine. This is all part of Qigong too. Loosening, especially the lower area. And breathing into the space that you're loosening as you touch your back, right along your spine. And let's go ahead and have hands in a prayer position now, and let's find our midline to end. Hands go up and down, and you look for the center of you. You'll feel the center of you. Come back to the middle. Let the hands go all the way around and turn you if it feels good. Other direction. Come back, palms go out. And go ahead and take the hands around. And in the other direction. Now coming back to hands on knees. And just once or twice, let your hands float up and float down. And you have done Easy Qigong. You are good to go. Thank you for joining me.